Liza, Elementary School Principal 3, Dr. Shiro P. Duarte, our guest speaker, Engineer Alan A. Gomerio, adored teachers, proud parents, loved ones, fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon for all of you. We stand here today, proud and triumphant as we celebrate an important milestone in our lives. 6 years of dedication, perseverance, and hard work have led to this moment. We're ready to embark a new journey, embracing the adventures and challenges that lie ahead. Armed with the knowledge, skills, and memories we've gained. But this milestone wouldn't be possible without the incredible individuals who shaped our elementary years. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who guided, inspired, and believed in me, helping me grow and thrive. First and foremost, to our dear principal, Dr. Cheryl B. Duarte, to Ma'am Janice, Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Jean, Sir Andy, Sir Eman, and to all incredible teachers of Pilar 1 Central School, thank you for igniting our curiosity and showing us the magic of learning. Salamat sa mahabang pasensya at pag-unawa sa amin para kami ay matuto. Your dedication to impart and share knowledge to us is incomparable. As we go and continue to chase our dreams, your teaching and enlightenment will always be inculcated in our hearts. To my classmates, thank you for accepting me here in Pilar 1 Central School. I vividly remember when I was turning grade 4, my parents made the decision to transfer me here in Pilar 1 Central School for the remainder of my school years. I certainly cried, yes. Umiyak talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. And ang nasa isip ko noon, kung ililipat ako ng school, paano ako doon? Wala akong kakilala at wala akong kaibigan. But all my doubts and speculations turned into excitement and eagerness to go to school every day, all because of you guys. I have found countless friends whom I share laughter with, yung kulitan and excitement during recess, yung tapuhan and habulan during our free time. Truly, that experience turned out to be a significant part of my elementary journey. I would also like to extend my sincerest gratitude to my dear parents for all the things that they have done to me. Thank you for your unconditional love and unwavering support. Naalala ko nung nag-run ako as president sa Pupils Government noong grade 4. My mom told me, sigurado ka ate, iba dapat sa lower position ka muna mag-run kasi chance ka, hindi ko pa nila kilala. Yet,